Yeah, 79 Hotel Sierra 303 456, copy.
QSL, copy. 43 Whiskey Tango 456. This is 79 Hotel Sierra 303. The operator name is Teo. Tango Hotel Echo Oscar. Teo, copy?
Yeah, copy there, Theo. Copy there 100%. The operator here is Doug, Delta Oscar Uniform Golf. My QTH is Perth, Australia, QSL.
QSL, copy, Doug. You're coming here 5-7, working with a vertical antenna and a ESO radio. Back to you.
Yeah, copy there, Theo. Yeah, the propagation's a little bit hard today. It's your fives, and then your twos, and then your sevens, and then your ones. So, but good signal, good audibility. My setup here is a 7300, 2-element Delta Loop at 6 meters, and about 80 whiskies QSL.
QSL, copy, Doug. Okay, 43 Whiskey Tango 456. This is 79 Hotel Sierra 303. Okay, Doug, thanks for the short QSO, and 73s to you, and mabuhay from the Philippines.
Yeah, thanks there, Theo. Good contact, good DX. 79 Hotel Sierra 303 43 Whiskey Tango 456 Australia. 73 cheers and good DX. Thank you.